How old do you guys think this house actually is? Believe it or not, this place dates back to 1861. Lincoln was inaugurated, the Civil War started, and this house was built. We're talking about a 165-year-old piece of history. Honestly, I'm not sure which is better, restoring a house with this much history or just tearing it down and building fresh. Let me know what you guys think down in the comments. Today, I'm just going to show you a quick glimpse of the work in progress and wrap it up with the before and after transformation. We already rebuilt the structurally damaged areas. Next, we're swapping out these old wooden windows for modern ones, throwing up the house wrap, and then it's time for siding. Oh wow! It looks like carpenter bees have damaged the wood. Of course, everything will need to be removed. I can see a bird's nest here. Check out how this side of the wall is coming together. They actually upgraded to new windows and completely blocked off a few of the old ones. Here's a quick look at the siding going up right now. Now that the siding is all done, we threw on a fresh coat of paint. Let's take a quick sneak peek at the siding here, and then we'll move right on to the next wall. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. Please leave your name, phone number, and what you want at pioneerf16yahoo.com, and we will contact you right away. South Carolina and North Carolina area.